Hello unique givers, it's good to be here again. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make a fascinator design. One of my subscribers pleaded that I should just create any fascinator design. So let's move straight to the training. So guys, what I'm holding now is a molded cap base. Actually I'm the one that molded this. And to learn how to get this molded cap base, please go to my channel and watch how to mold a hat base for beginners. It will give you a guide on that. So I won't be teaching this here in order to save time. So what I'm holding here is called a millinery wire. You can also use a flexible wire. You can get this from people selling fascinator materials. So I'm just trying to ensure that the millinery wire fits this, okay? I'll be using my thread to hold it together. You can also use your masking tape to hold it together. Then once you are done tying both ends, you now insert it to the cap base. Okay guys, once you're done with that, you use your candle gum and your glue gun to hold it down. Okay, just watch everything, you understand each step. This fascinator is quite simple. Yes, and please guys, don't forget to like my video if you find this helpful. And as usual, I do plead, if you want to support me, I think the only thing you can do for me is by not skipping the ads showing on your video. Don't skip it. Alright, the mold I used here measures 9.5. This mold is 9.5 mold. So remember, I've told you guys to cover it with the fabric at 3 inches. So I got 9.5 for the mold. So the material I'll be using to cover it up is 12.5, that is 12.5. All right, I cut out 2 fabric. The reason is because this sequence is a light one. You can see the inside. Like, let me show you guys. I place the sequence on this mold. You see that it's showing the white surface, and which I don't want that to happen. So what I'll be doing next is to use this as a lining to cover it up. So guys, at this point I'll be using my US shoe gum to rub on the base, then cover it up with the fabric. You can also use this Evo-Stick gum. Yes, some people call it a bookie gum. You can use it here. Okay, it will still serve, but I've not really used candle gum. Don't prefer candle gum for this, but you can give it a try though. So wrap it up this way and drag every edge down. This is where you get your neat covering. Please, while doing this, make sure you drag it down very well. Stretch it out while covering up. It will help you to get a neat edge and a neat top. So I'm done doing it and I'm pressing everything down. You can see how it looks. Please stretch it out so you can get, so the top will be neat, even the edge of your cap base. So you cut out the excess this way, and once you're done doing that, also use the other material to cover it up again. The same procedure, the same process used in covering the mold. That's what you're going to do with this same fabric. Okay, rub your gum, and after rubbing your gum, you cover with the fabric. Don't forget to stretch out very well. Then you're gonna cut with your scissors. All right, so once you're done doing all this process, you press the edge down. Don't forget to do so. Press it down to ensure that everything laps well. All right, what I'm holding now is cord, and this is boning wire. Yes, I'll be using this for the top design, and what I will be doing is to cut that excess part, as in the edge of that cord. I'll be using this to wrap the boning wire. Just watch the way I take the procedure and cover up the boning wire with this cord. So at this point, I'm done covering the boning wire and I'm trying to create the round loop design. Alright, just watch and see the way I form the design. You can do yours, you can reach up to 4, or you can make it to be 3 layers, just the way I'm doing. It depends on you. Remember, it's all about creativity. Okay, so once you get the desired level or length you want, I'll be using my needle and thread to tack it down. Okay, I'm done with the designing and I want to tack it to the cap base. So I placed it at my desired edge, the part I want it to be, and I used my needle and thread to do the tacking. So after doing that, I noticed that it was dancing around, like it was flying up and down. So I had to use my needle and thread to hold it down. Just watch and see the way I hold the edges down. So after doing that, I also hold this part down, this place and this place. I also hold the 2 parts down. Then for the last round one, I also tack it down. Okay, I will tack it down the edge here. So once I'm done doing that, you can see the outcome. Here, see the back and this the front. Okay, the other material I'll be using to design this fascinator is mat. This particular mat is already made material. I also got it from people selling fascinator materials. So I had to cut it this way and just pull out 3 layers. Three. Okay, so after pulling it out, excuse me, I removed the fishing line that was used for the joining. Normally they use fishing line to hold the mat down, so I removed it. Okay, I removed just the edge, the one that appeared at the edge of it, not everything. Then I took the measurement of this mat that I cut out, and I got 36.5, 36 and a half. Okay, so I folded it into 2, then cut it. I cut it into 2, and once I'm done doing that, I use it to form my loop. So I'm done tacking it down. I will be using these feathers. We have different feathers in the market. It depends on what you want, but I'm using these particular feathers to design it. So I'll be tacking it to the base. Yes, I'll be tacking the feathers to the base just the way you are seeing it. Please do tacking, is preferable. I also got this rose. This particular rose is also sold at the millinery shop area. And see, you can use any form of rose. This is not the only rose in the market, but I just prefer this design. I use my needle and thread to tack down as well, and I'll later gum everything down. Use my my glue gun to do the gumming. This petal rose, I've already used it before, but I had to use the remaining part to beautify this fascinator more. So I'll be using my scissors to cut out this excess part. Yes, to cut it out. Then I will also tack it down to this point. Yes, I also tack it down to this point. And see guys, it's not a must use on needle and thread, but I prefer using needle and thread for better look. Okay, once you're done doing everything, use your candle gum to hold it down, press it, and make sure it is firm. All right, for the finishing, guys, I won't be showing it here. I taught how to finish this on this on this video on my channel. Please check it out. I have a video showing how to do the last finishing. Okay, so I'll be folding my feathers. This feather is flexible, you can twist it to any style you want, and that's it guys. If you have stayed with me to this level, I love you all. You are the MVP. For people who are yet to subscribe, please do so, and for those subscribers, I love you all. See you next time.